A lion used to live in a dense forest, and a jackal also lived there. The jackal always used to work for the lion. One day, the lion and the elephant had a fight, and the lion got injured during the fight. He injured his leg too. That's why he was not able to walk properly. Even he cannot hunt any animal. So one day, the lion said to the jackal, "Listen, buddy, I am very hungry from many days, and I did not get anything to eat since this fight has happened. Still my wounds have not healed. It has become hard for me to hunt. Today you go and hunt for me. Then I will kill that, and we will eat that together." After listening to the lion, Jackal thinks and said,
I do not have any problem because it's also beneficial for me. I will fetch a victim from nearest village, and after killing him, both of us will share the food.
The jackal went towards village to hunt. After discussing the lion, he saw a donkey on the way, and after that, the jackal convinced him to go to the forest so he could take him to the lion. The jackal said to the donkey,
Hello, donkey uncle. Why are you so sad? And you are looking very weak too. I think you are very hungry from many days. Is your owner doesn't give you meal?
Dachu. Yes, you are right. My boss takes a lots of work from me, but he doesn't give me enough meal to eat. He always overloads me.
So let's come with me to the forest. I will take you to the forest. There is a big field of grass. You can eat as much as you like. Nobody will stop you.
By hearing this, the donkey got angry to go with him, and then he went to the forest with the jackal. The lion stood up as the donkey reached him, and he attacked on the back of the donkey. The donkey quickly ran away from there, and then the jackal said to the lion,
Oh no! What did you do? It was so hard to bring him here, and you let him go so easily. It seems like you are not having enough strength to kill someone.
By hearing to the jackal like this, the lion got very angry, but still he listened to him silently, and then the lion replied to him, It's not like that, buddy. I never missed my target. He got away from my grip. Otherwise, he would have been died.
Well, I will try once again, but this time don't let him go without killing him. I will bring him again. You just be ready to hunt.
After saying this, the jackal again went to the donkey, and he said,
My friend, why did you run away from there so early? You did not even tasted the grass of the forest. You ran away from there without tasting it.
The donkey got very angry, and he said,
Go to hell. You planned to kill me. If it would be a bit delayed, then I would have died. I don't want to eat your grass. Keep your grass with yourself. Dachu.
The jackal again tried to convince him, and said to the donkey,
Oh no, dear uncle, to one whom you used to understand your death. Actually, she was your lover, who was fascinated by you, and she has gone mad for you. She wanted to hug you, but you ran away from there.
Dachu. What? How could she be my girlfriend? Anyone will get afraid by seeing her. Dachu.
But uncle, she was Gandharva, who already liked you, and she sent me to you, and she said, until she will not see you, She will not eat anything.
After hearing this, the donkey was very happy. And on the other hand, the jackal was also got happy, because the donkey was convinced by him again. The jackal brings the donkey back to the lion. But this time, the lion attacked the donkey. And then, the donkey said to the jackal at the time when he was dying,
After all, you are a cheater. Did you?
By saying this, the donkey died, and after killing the donkey, the lion went to the pond for taking bath. But that time, the jackal was very hungry. That's why he started eating the donkey. When the lion came back, then he saw that the donkey's body doesn't have his ears and heart. The lion asked to the jackal,
Where are his ears and heart gone? Couldn't you wait for me to come?
But the jackal was very clever. Then he said,
If this donkey had heart and ears, he would not have come to see you again. He came because he did not have it.
In this way, the jackal convinced the lion by his cleverness, and after that, both of them started eating the donkey.